Hello everyone, this is Lucia from Miccell company, and today I introduced our new speakers. Now I can show you the speakers. This one you can put on the desk, and also you can click it when you get out. And this is the brand here, Miccell, and also can be putting the logos here and the bottom here. Here is the different buttons for the volume controls. And resistor power, and this one with RGB light, here with the RGB light, and this two sides RGB light, and this also have, and this speakers and have the battery is 8,800 mAh, and the speakers 65 watt for the power. And he also can be used two speakers at the same time when you are connected Bluetooth, connect your cell phones. And this button can be changed the RGB light. Now we have the black colors with the blue logo, and we also have the gray colors with all origin logos here. So do you have interesting? Please contact us. Choose Miccell. Enjoy innovations. Thank you.
Miccell, your phone's smart friend.